What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey, back with another video. Let's put this thing in sport mode to wake it up a little bit. Ooh, downshift sound crazy today. Hope everyone is having a great day today. I'm just driving aimlessly right now just to get some time before while filming this video, because you know we need those 10 minutes 15 minutes, because YouTube is now promoting or pushing longer videos into the algorithm, so it just makes sense. All right, I'm gonna stay in sport mode this video for you guys, so you guys can hear how crazy this thing sounds. It's saying I could turn right here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Nice little neighborhood. I'm not gonna lie, when I first moved to Florida, I couldn't believe how quiet some of these neighborhoods are. Like, you could be on the main strip, and the main strip is a little bit busy, you know, it's got a little bit of noise but not too crazy, and then you turn on one of these side streets and it's just quiet. It's crazy. Oh, you can hear the engine noise once I put this window down back here, so I'm gonna just leave this window open so you guys can hear. Let's see. We got to, oh wait, no, that's okay. It's a one-way. That is a one-way. All right, let's go. There we go. Just had to make it real quick. Make a little U-turn. But yeah, honestly, my biggest thing since moving to Florida is like every store has a parking spot. I do not miss in New York where I'm gonna do a big pull once these cars stop. But yeah, I don't miss how in New York some places that you go to would be like, you know, you would have to feed the meter. Is that a cop? Come, please do not come behind me, cop. Please don't come behind me. But okay, he's right there. But yeah, many times you have to feed the meter, and for people who don't know, like sometimes, or it's even worse if the meter's broken, but like the cop who comes around to check, he can't even verify that, so he'll just slap you a ticket. I used to hate that, man. All right, I'm gonna do a nice big pull for you guys here. Let's do it. Ready? Let's see. Do I have to turn? Why is this thing taking so long to update? All right, let's do it. Whew. I'm telling you, this car sounds crazier in like manual mode, man. Nowhere. Forest Hill Boulevard. Yeah, it sounds much louder because I have the window that's right next to the engine, so that's why it sounds louder. Another pull. Little second gear pull action. Oh man, I have some crazy videos coming up too. I got some collabs coming up in June. I have a lot of stuff planned for this channel, so definitely just stay tuned. I got nothing but content, honestly. Like, I have content at this point. I have content to post for like most of the summer, so I'm like way ahead of filming. All of my videos are already scheduled, so you guys don't have to worry. There's literally so many videos dropping, so stay tuned for that. Honestly, it's crazy. It's not even summer yet in Florida, and it is humid as hell. Like the past few weekends, it's been like 95, 94 degrees. I'm like, damn, why is it so hot? Bro, anyone else who goes to the gym, please tell me why these girls be wearing like nothing to the gym, and then they be giving you that side eye if they see you staring at them. I'm like, why are you wearing that to the gym? Like, I wish girls could just show up to the gym bummy as hell, like sweatpants, like nothing, like just show up bummy looking. Like, why you gotta wear them shorts, them tight shirts? Just don't get that. I don't get it. And I haven't been to a meet in forever, man. I'm thinking about popping out to one this weekend though, because, you know, Memorial Weekend's here, and well, by the time you guys see this video, this will be posted in like July, but currently today, oh my gosh. That's what I'm saying. People don't understand how nice the C8s drive unless you actually drive them. Like, I've heard people criticize the C8s, but they don't actually have a C8. Like, they'll say, oh yeah, I just heard because my boys got a C8. Bro, who cares about what you heard? I need to know if you drove it. That's what I want to know. Did you drive it? Let me know if you drove it. There's always a liquor store everywhere, bro. It's crazy. Like, come on, people, it's a green light every time, bro. In Florida, it could be a green light and nobody honks the horn. Like, I don't know if people are just afraid because everyone down here carries and has a gun, or if it's just like a rule that everybody just follows. I might as well stay in these two lanes since I have to make a left anyway, right? Or let me see if I can try to, nah, because then I might get stuck in the middle lane. I was like, if I go in the middle lane and then try to come over and then I get stuck, then I'll be pissed. So let me just chill right here. God damn. I see a nice little tunnel action. Get a nice pull in right there. Oh, and I'm thinking about tracking the car. Miami International Speedway, I think that's the name of it, but they host this stuff during the summer where like it's like race night Fridays or something like that, or fast lane Fridays. I forgot the exact name, but if I find it, I'll let you guys know. Free to the public, well, not free, but it's open to the public, and people just bring out their cars, you race and have fun. So I'm thinking about doing that because I really want to like push this car. Since I had it, damn, is that a cop right there? Damn. But yeah, since I had it, I haven't really pushed the car. Like, I pushed it to like 100 plus, yes, but I mean like pushing it. I haven't really like pushed the car to how it could be pushed. So I want to take the GoPro, and already got the helmet and everything else, so I'm pretty much ready for the track. I'm gonna do a nice little pull on the highway though for you guys. I'm gonna do a nice little pull. I just gotta get ahead of these people real quick. Oh shit. And then I'm gonna get ahead real quick. Alright, ready? I'm gonna just do a quick one. Is that a cop? I can't tell. I don't think so. Alright, ready? Let's get it down to like 70. 3, 2, 1. I could never tell if those guys are cops or not, man. Is it a cop? I could never tell. Those dudes be having stuff blacked out, but then you don't have dark tints, so I can't tell. Nah, probably not. Go over, bro. There's literally nobody in this lane. Like, people take so long to go over. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's anxiety or if like people are like actually scared. When I tell you, I really just don't know. I don't get it. Don't get it. But yeah, man, we have now reached the end of the video. Just want to get a quick little POV drive out there for you guys, so you got some content to watch. Please let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments down below. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.